Hey there folks, welcome to Pick's Place. Today we have a 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger. Now we're not going to be able to take this for a drive today. He has some transmission problems, but let's take a look at it. It's really super sweet and it's quite a powerhouse. Alright, this one would have had a 318 V8 in it originally, but what you see here is a 440 bored and stroked to a 493. Edelbrock heads, comp cam solid roller, Holley EFI with 16 injectors, some running alcohol. This baby pumps out 880 horsepower. Let's fire it up.